Hi friends, welcome to Dia's tutorial Passion Towards Learning. So in today's video we are going to see about what are the books used in first year BPT. So before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it. So first we will see what are the subjects in first year. Okay, anatomy, then human physiology, and psychology and sociology we will be writing as a same paper. Okay, then finally basic physics. For anatomy we will use B.D. Chaurasia. In the latest edition it has 4 volumes. Okay, then for physiology there are many books, but mainly I recommend Hindu Quran, but we can also use C.C. Chatterjee, which is in 2 volumes, available in 2 volumes. Okay, other than that we have Sembulingam also. Usually we won't recommend Sembulingam because everything will be short, we won't get more details. And also we have another subject, biochemistry. Actually in many universities they may not have, but in our university we are having biochemistry, so for that we follow Satyanarayana. And for psychology this book will be better. And then basic physics. For basic physics, actually what we studied in 11th and 12th, that will only be more. So Clayton's electrotherapy will be more than enough, but you can also use this Jagmohan, which is used in the third year. Okay, so these are the books, and I recommend personally to use books rather than browsing in internet. Okay, so yes, always refer books because you will get exact information for any condition. You can rely on the books. Okay, but in internet everything will be from one website to another website, there will be changes, so I refer you to prefer books. And then you may have a doubt that where to get the medical books. In Chennai, Moore Market is the best place to buy the books. You'll get in best price, and also in you can also get second hand books. So these are the books used in first year BPT, friends. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. Thank you for watching.